part 3 video for JNM third year students, community health nursing 2. In this video we are going to discuss first unit, that is the healthcare system in India. In this the topic we are going to focus, that is the DGHS. What is the abbreviation of DGHS? Directorate General Health Services. In this the Directorate General Health Services, what is mean by, also what it having, what is the functioning? In this the Directorate General Health Services are the mainly related to the medical and public health, regarding medicine and regarding public health. They mainly the DGHS will be involved in these two factors. In this the members under the what is that DGHS, under what members will be there means additional DGHS, additional Directorate General Health Services. Next one is the team of deputies. These are the members will be there under the DGHS. DGHS అనేది ఈ యొక్క హెల్త్ కేర్ డెలివరీ సిస్టమ్ అనేది సెంట్రల్ లెవెల్లో ఎలా ఉంది అనే దాని గురించి మనం తెలుసుకుంటాం. అవునా, ఈ DGHS అనేది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? ఈ యొక్క సెంట్రల్ హెల్త్ కేర్ డెలివరీ సిస్టంలో ఉంది. ఇన్ దీస్ మెంబర్స్ ఎవరైనా ఉంటే DGHS కింద, అంటే డైరెక్టరేట్ జనరల్ హెల్త్ సర్వీసెస్ కింద ఎవరుంటారు అంటే అడిషనల్ డైరెక్టరేట్ జనరల్ హెల్త్ సర్వీసెస్ ఉంటాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేంటి అని అంటే నెక్స్ట్ డిప్యూటీస్, ఏ టీమ్ ఆఫ్ డిప్యూటీస్ విల్ బి దేర్. మరి ఇంతమంది వీళ్ళు ఏం వర్క్ చేస్తారు? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫంక్షన్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ఆఫ్ additional DGHS and a team of deputies. In this first the function like medical care. Medical care means the care will be provided for the patients. Who is the sick people is there, who is the patients is there, who is the suffering with the some diseases, those are received by the some treatment. ఎవరైతే డిసీజ్తో వ్యాధితో సఫర్ అవుతున్నారో వాళ్ళకి కొంత మనము డ్రగ్స్ ద్వారా, మెడికేషన్ ద్వారా యొక్క ట్రీట్మెంట్ అనేది చేయడం వల్ల వాళ్ళ యొక్క హెల్త్ ఏమవుతుంది? రీస్టోరేషన్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. నార్మల్ హెల్త్, there is no abnormalities. For prevention of abnormalities, for prevention of diseases or for reducing the diseases, we are giving some medical care to the patients. The care will be provided by the this additional DGHS and some of the health team deputies. In this the care like especially hospitals. Hospital means it is a one of institution. In this the care will be provided by the some of the trained, well trained persons for who is the suffering of disease తో ఎవరైతే సఫర్ అవుతున్నారో వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సినటువంటి ట్రీట్మెంట్ అనేది బాగా ట్రైనింగ్ ఉన్నటువంటి, వెల్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉన్నటువంటి పర్సనల్స్ చేత ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చి వాళ్ళ యొక్క హెల్త్ని ప్రమోట్ చేసేటటువంటి ఒక ఇన్స్టిట్యూటే హాస్పిటల్. అవునా, ఇన్ హాస్పిటల్ లెవెల్, ఎట్ ద హాస్పిటల్ లెవెల్ దే ఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ సమ్ సర్వీస్ టు ద సిక్ పీపుల్. along with the hospitals the public health should be improved. Next medical care depots. Some of the medical care departments will be there, and the DGHS should be supervise some of the medical care departments. In medical so many of diseases will be there, so many departments will be there, surgical department, medical department, ortho department, children department. Like that different departments will be there. According to department, according to the patient stage, according to the patient disease condition, the services will be implemented. Who? The DGHS. Directorate General Health Services ద్వారా ఏ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ వాళ్ళకైనా, ఏ డిసీజ్తో సఫర్ అవుతున్న వాళ్ళకైనా ప్రాపర్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ విల్ బి ప్రొవైడెడ్. నెక్స్ట్ another one is the DGHS will be involved in this. What is the functioning means? Survey. In this survey means first of all in community or in a district level or in state level or in public. పబ్లిక్లో ఎవరు డిసీజ్తో సఫర్ అవుతున్నారు, ఎవరు హెల్తీగా ఉన్నారు, ఏ ఏజ్ గ్రూప్ వాళ్ళు, Okay, the unhealthy people will be children or newborns or infants or orphanage or old age or adult. Okay, which is the age group? According to the age group, which disease they are suffering? They are suffering with the nutritional deficiency disorder or vitamin deficiency disorder or some of the road track accidents or communicable diseases or non-communicable diseases, whatever it may be, the disease what? That will be find out. ఫస్ట్ ఏ గ్రూప్ వాళ్ళు ఏ డిసీజ్తో సఫర్ అవుతున్నారు, ఎక్కడ ఏ ఏరియాలో సఫర్ అవుతున్నారు. ద డిసీజ్ విల్ బి ఎపిడమిక్ డిసీజ్ ఆర్ ఎండమిక్ డిసీజ్ ఆర్ పాండమిక్ డిసీజ్. ఓకే, ఒకే డిసీజు గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్కి సఫరింగ్ అవుతాయి, దాన్ని పాండమిక్ అంటారు. ఓకే, సీజనల్గా వచ్చేదాన్ని ఎపిడమిక్ అంటారు. ఓకే, ఇలా మీన్స్ డ్యూరేషనల్గా అంటే వచ్చే ఎక్కువ రోజులు సఫర్ అవుతుంటే అలా డిసీజెస్ అనేది స్టేజెస్ని బట్టి డివైడ్ చేశారు. Okay, which disease will be suffering with the patients? Okay, that will be identified by doing some survey. First survey చేసి హోమ్ విజిటింగ్ ద్వారా ఓకే హెల్త్ కేర్ పర్సనల్స్ అనేవాళ్ళు పబ్లిక్తో కమ్యూనికేట్ అయ్యి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ షుడ్ బి ఫైండ్ అవుట్. ఓకే, ఆఫ్టర్ సర్వే దే ఆర్ ప్లాన్డ్. ఓకే, డిపెండింగ్ అపాన్ దేర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ దే ఆర్ ప్లాన్డ్ సమ్ హెల్త్ కేర్. Okay, depending upon their health problem, depending upon their disease condition, they are implement, they are plan some care. ఓకేనా, వాళ్ళు ఏ డిసీజ్తో సఫర్ అవుతున్నారు అనేది వీళ్ళకి ప్రాబ్లం తెలిసిన తర్వాత డిపెండ్ అపాన్ దేర్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ దే ఆర్ ఫోకస్ సమ్ కేర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కోఆర్డినేషన్. ఓకేనా, in between health care personals and the patients and family members or community people, some coordination will be there. Without coordination we can't get good health. Okay, now with coordination only the people will be improves their health status. Okay, next international health relations. Okay, international level. Okay, now health relations means international level, what are the policies will be available related to health. Okay, what are the programs will be available related to health. Okay, that will be identified and they are maintain some good relationship. Okay, now through the relationship, through the good communication, through the coordination, the programs or policies should be easily implemented in the public. Okay, they are involved, they are received, they are accepted for reducing their disease. Okay, next in this the DGHS having another function, that is the control of drug standards. Okay, in yesterday classes we have discussed that control of drug standards means some low cost drugs or some type of low functioning low resistance drugs. Okay, some type of expiry date drugs, some adulterative drugs. Okay, drugs name is same but the action is very less. Okay, the disease does not cured. Okay, many of the tablets, many of the medications is used by the patient but the disease did not cured. Why? Because there is no quality of drugs. Okay, the drugs quality, the drugs quantity, drugs rate, expenditure, that will be maintained by the under the DGHS. Okay, they are taking some permission for implementation of drugs in the population. Okay, next another one, that is the control of government health schemes. Okay, central government health schemes. Okay, what are the central government health schemes will be there? Okay, by the central government what health schemes will be available, that will be reached to the public health through what? Through the healthcare personals. Okay, the healthcare personals are they are identified which problem is there. Okay, which policy is suitable for that population. Okay, ఏ పాలసీ ఉంది ఆ ప్రాబ్లంకి రిలేటెడ్గా ఆ పాలసీ వర్కౌట్ అవుతుందా లేదా, that will be decided by the these healthcare personals and they are implemented. They are maintained good coordination, good communication in between the population and DGHS. Okay, next another one, that is the this postgraduate training. Okay, in this postgraduate training what okay, after completion of degree the nursing students will be able to study, that is the postgraduate. Okay, already degree అయిపోయిన వారు గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళకి పోస్ట్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ ట్రైనింగ్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, దానివల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, బై ద పోస్ట్ గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ ట్రైనింగ్ దే ఆర్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ దేర్ నాలెడ్జ్, దే ఆర్ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ దేర్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్. ఓకే, దే ఆర్ ఇంప్రూవ్డ్ దేర్ సర్వీసెస్. Okay, they are having some promotions easily. Okay, that's why the DGHS will be implemented that postgraduate training to the student nurses. Okay, after completion of their graduation they are able to do the postgraduate training. Okay, by this way they are having excessive knowledge, excessive training practices. Okay, no, they are qualified, well knowledge. Okay, that will be created by this DGHS. And medical education. Okay, that's medical education, nothing but this ANM and this GNM, BSc nursing, MSc nursing. Okay, like that medical related education will be provided by the DGHS for the students who are having good interest for field of medical. Okay, they are give some encouragement to the students for study, for learning about patients, for serving about patients, for providing good patiency for the patients. Okay, regarding that they are improved, and they are improved the another function like medical research. Okay, through the research what happens, okay, which is the new disease will be arise. Okay, the new disease will be how to cure. Okay, what is the process for control of spread of infection, what is the process for reducing the infection. Okay, now for example our society will be having that much of tension and fear and COVID-19, no. Okay, another new COVID-19 will be there, no. Okay, that diseases will be what cause some harmness to the people, no. Okay, regarding that the researchers should be start some research for implementation of drugs for providing good treatment to that particular diseases. Okay, next another one is the national health programs. Okay, some national health programs will be available for the public. Okay, what are the programs will be there, national blindness control, national AIDS control, national what is that diabetes mellitus, means depending upon the disease condition some of the national level programs will be implemented. Okay, the programs provide some plan, some objectives, some special care to the particular special groups. Okay, next another one, that is the in this national medical library. Okay, in the national level some medical libraries will be available, means for new books will be available. Okay, what are the society suffering with the which type of diseases or which type of measurements we have to follow for improving their health status. Okay, for reducing their disease condition, what are the activity we have to do. Okay, how to improve the knowledge of student nurses. Okay, how to provide a good coordination, good cooperation in between the central level and state level. Regarding that it will be done. Okay, this is regarding DGHS. DGHS nothing but Directorate General Health Services. Okay, at the central level.